Now we do the circle check. First of all, turn on the key, now on position. Put all the lights on and left signal on. Always make a 3-point contact. Wind deflector, no crack, no damage. Sun visor, no crack, no damage. Student driver sign present. All 5 clearance lights are working. Windshield, no crack, no damage. Both wiper on place. Both side mirror mounted good, no crack, no damage. Hood, no crack, no damage. Both hood mirror mounted good. Grill, no crack, no damage. Hood locked properly. Both side low beam working. Left signal working, right marker light working. Bumper, no crack, no damage. License plate tight and secure. And no leak under the hood. Side grill, no crack, no damage. Hood, no crack, no damage. Convex mirror, no crack, no damage. Tire we already covered under the hood. Unit number is listed. Fender, no crack, no damage. Side mirror mounted good. Flat mirror and convex mirror, no crack, no damage. CV sticker valid. Glass, no crack, no damage. School logo present. Door open, lock good. Footstep secured properly. Battery cover secure with the latch. All 3 tanks are mounted good, no crack, no damage, no leak. Left signal working. Side wind deflector, no crack, no damage. GVW and tear weight listed. Def tank cap tight and secure, no crack, no damage, no leak under the def tank. Fuel tank, diesel tank mounted good, no crack, no damage. Cap tight and secure. Straps, no crack, no damage. No leak under the diesel tank. Footsteps secure properly, no crack, no damage. Handle secure properly, no crack, no damage. Backup light, switch on the backup light. Backup lights working good. Back of the cab, no crack, no damage. Student driver sign present. Bracket mounted good, no crack, no damage. Glass, no crack, no damage. Line secure properly. Handle, no crack, no damage. Dead end mounted good, no crack, no damage. Muffler mounted good, no crack, no damage. Clamps tight and secure. Muffler support rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side airbags mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side shocks, no leak, no crack, no damage. Leveling valve mounted good, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Cross member, no crack, no damage. Transmission, no leak, no crack, no damage. All lines are secured properly. Drive shaft mounted good, no crack, no damage. Air dryer, no crack, no damage. Secure properly. Catwalk, secure properly, no crack, no damage. Back of the trailer, front of the trailer, no crack, no damage. Now cross member again, no crack, no damage. Torque rod, differential, no crack, no damage, mounted good. Frame both side, no crack, no damage. Both side leaf spring mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side U-bolts, no crack, no damage. Both side inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Both side rim, dust cover, no crack, no damage. U-joint, no crack, no damage. Both side airbags, no leak, no crack, no damage. All lines are secured properly. Both side fenders secure properly, no crack, no damage. Always use a 3-point contact. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. No leak. Air valve stem with cap present. No rock in between the tire. Inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Inside tire tread depth more than 1.6. Outside tire tread depth more than 1.6. Rear tire both tread depth more than 1.6. Pressure in all the tires are good. Now frame, no crack, no damage. Shocker mounted good, no leak, no crack, no damage. Airbag, no leak, no crack, no damage. Fifth wheel handle in lock position. Sliding pin in lock position. Leaf spring hanger mounted good, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber mounted good, no crack, no damage. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. No leak. Air valve stem with cap present. No rock in between the tire. Inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. And pressure in both the tire is good. Okay. So now fifth wheel, jaw is in lock position. Cross member mounted good, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Torque rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. All lines are secured properly. Differential, no leak, no crack, no damage. Drive shaft, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber, both side mounted good, no crack, no damage. Slack adjuster and push rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. U-bolts, both side, no crack, no damage. Airbags, both side, no crack, no damage. Cross member, no crack, no damage. Support plate, no crack, no damage. License plate light working. Both side mud flap hanger mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side mud flaps secured properly, no crack, no damage. Left signal working. Right tail light is working. Floor, no crack, no damage. Cross member all the way up to the end, no crack, no damage. Landing frame, no crack, no damage. Nut bolt tight and secure. Landing legs, no damage. Landing frame footsteps, no crack, no damage. Front side of the trailer, no crack, major damage. Reefer mounted good, no crack, no damage. Unit number is listed. Side wall of the trailer, no major damage. School logo present. 50% DOT tape present. Marker lights are working. Left signal working. DG placard holder present. Student driver sign is present. Diesel tank secure properly. Cap tight and secure. No leak under the diesel tank. Left signal working. DG placard holder present. In case driver haul more than 500 kg dangerous good, must put the DG placard holders. Airline secure properly. More than 18 inch from the ground. Cross member all the way up to the end, no crack, no damage. Floor, no crack, no damage. Both side brake chamber mounted good, lines connected good. Axle, no crack, no damage. Both side airbag mounted good. Both side shock, no leak, no crack, no damage. Air tank secured properly. All lines are connected good, no crack, no damage. Both side inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Both side rim, no crack, no damage. Both side drum pad, no crack, no damage. Dolly pin in lock position. Handle is in lock position. All four tire pressure is good. All four tires tread depth more than 1.6. Again, dolly pin over here is in a lock position. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. Level is good, no leak. Air valve with cap is present. No rock in between the tires. Inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Outside wall of the tire, no crack, no damage, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. Hub seal, no leak. Level is good. Air valve stem with cap is present. Inside wall of both the tires, no crack, no damage. Tread depth both the tires is more than 1.6. ABS light not on, it means working good. Marker light working. Cross member all the way, no crack, no damage. Floor, no crack, no damage. Mud flap hanger secure properly. Mud flap both side mounted good, no crack, no damage. All lines are secure properly. Axle, no crack, no damage. Both side airbag mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side shock, no leak, no crack, no damage. Both side brake chamber mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side slack adjuster mounted good, no crack, no damage. Push rod both side not more than ½ inch to 3/4. Both side inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Both side rim drum, no crack, no damage. Both side brake pad, no crack, no damage. S-cam and S-cam shaft, both side mounted good, no crack, no damage. Back of the bumper, no crack, no damage, mounted good. Door locked properly, handle in lock position. Clearance light at the top working good, no crack, no damage. 100% DOT tape present. All hinges on the side of the door secure properly. Right now there is no load. In case there is a load, driver responsibility to secure the load. Both side tail lights are working. Left signal working. License plate tight and secure. License plate light working. Bumper, no crack, no damage. 100% DOT tape present. DG placard holder present. Now I will show you the right signal and the brake light. Always use the 3-point contact when you enter or leave the cab. Shut down the signal, put on the signal on the right, and for the spike brake, put it down, hold it, secure it with anything like this. Okay. Brake lights are working and my right signal is working. Right side wall of the trailer, no major damage. School logo present, 100% DOT tape present. Marker light working, right signal working, marker light at the end also working. So all 4 tires pressure is good. All 4 tires tread depth more than 1.6 mm. No rock in between the tires. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. Hub nut tight and secure. Hub seal level is good. No leak. Air valve stem is present with the cap. Inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Dolly pin in a lock position. Frame, no crack, no damage. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. Level is good and there is no leak. Air valve stem with cap is present. No rock in between the tires and inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Dolly pin over here, the second pin is in a lock position. Body, no major damage. DG placard holder present. Landing leg, no damage. Handle secure in a proper place. Student driver sign is present. All 4 tires pressure is good. All 4 tires tread depth more than 1.6. No rock in between the tires. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure, no leak. Air valve stem with the cap is present. Inside wall of the tires, no cut, no bulge. Leaf spring hanger secure properly, no crack, no damage. Airbag, no crack, no damage. Shock mounted good, no leak. Fifth wheel secure to the main frame. Sliding pin in a lock position. No crack, no damage to the frame. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. No leak. Air valve with the cap present. Inside walls of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Inside tire tread depth more than 1.6. Frame, no crack, no damage. Fender, no crack, no damage. Overall, this side of the trailer from the front, no major damage, no crack, no damage. Backup light is working. Muffler secure to the main frame with the support. Clamp tight and secure, no crack, no damage, no sign of smoke. Diesel tank, no damage, no crack. Strap, no crack, no damage. Cap tight and secure, no leak under the diesel tank. One thing we missed, right signal at the back of the tractor is working and the tractor brake light is also working. Backup light working, right signal working. Footstep, no crack, no damage. Blind spot mirror, no crack, no damage. Glass, no crack, no damage. Side mirror mounted good, no crack, no damage. Flat mirror, convex mirror, no crack, no damage. School logo present. Door, open lock good. GVW and tail weight listed. Fender, no crack, no damage. Unit number listed. Hood, no crack, no damage. Tire we already covered. Side grill, no crack, no damage. Hood mirror, no crack, no damage. Mounted good. And right signal is working. Now I will show you the high beam and the 4-way flasher. Shut down the signal, put the high beam, sign is there, and along with that you can switch on the 4-way also. High beam both side working, both side 4 ways working. 4 ways working on the side. 4 ways working. Now you have to remove the brake. Make sure you release the brake and then check the 4 ways. Four ways at the back of the tractor working. 4 ways on the side working. Four ways at the back working. 4 ways on the side working. Always on the right side on the tractor working. So now the circle check is done.